Hey everyone, this week we're working on distribution uniformity. I just thought I'd throw a quick video example of how I'd work through these questions. There's awesome resources in the reading and the videos. This is just in addition, so nothing new or different here. Basically what we have here in this column is our can number for our catch can. We have 16 catch cans. In the next column we just have the milliliters collected per can, and that's what we're going to get started off with. So the first thing we need to figure out is I guess first of all, what is 25% of 16 cans? Well, that's 4 cans. So the first thing we figure out, I guess now the second thing we figure out technically anyway, is what the average of those cans is. So you could go through here manually and pick out which were the smallest numbers. Since we're in Excel, I'm going to cheat a little. I'm going to highlight the whole thing. I'm going to hit sort and filter. I'm going to do a custom sort, and then it's going to ask me which column I want to sort by, and I'm going to sort by milliliters, and I'm going to go smallest to largest, and that puts my smallest up at the top. So it's very helpful. And then the next thing we need to do is now just to average these 4 cans, average the milliliters collected. Now, if you were doing this manually, you just add them together and divide by the number of samples, which is 4. So add them together, divide by 4. On Excel, we're going to cheat a little. We're going to go equals, and then we're going to go start typing average. Pops up, double click, highlight the top 4. Okay, we got our average there. Next thing we need to figure out is the average of all the samples. Doesn't matter if they're in order. Um, so you could, again, you could do it manually and add each of these up individually and then divide by the number of samples, which is 16. On Excel here, again, we're going to equals and start typing average. We're going to double click that and just highlight all of those. Okay, and that gives us that average. Now the final step is to do some division. So first of all, we're going to go equals, and we're going to go 23. So that was our lowest 25% of the samples. The average 23. So we're going to go that divided by the total average. And let's take away some of those decimal points. So it's 0.74. So not fantastic distribution uniformity, but that's how you go about calculating it. I hope it's kind of helpful. Give a shout if you have more questions. Good luck with the exam, quiz, homework, everything that y'all have going on.